Okay, so what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my hair for you guys. Well, actually I'm gonna be going to a friend's house and I'm gonna do my hair, and I wanted to show you guys how I do it. I'm gonna be doing it the same way I did it in this picture, and a lot of you guys actually DM'd me asking me how I did it. So it's super simple. I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna show you how I get my hair from super straight like this. This is my natural straight hair. I'm gonna show you how I go from this to this. I'm gonna show you how I go from my super straight hair to some beautiful wavy hair. It's a super simple process. All you're gonna need is the Bedhead Wave Artist, the blue one. I got this one at Target, I think. Then you're gonna need something to hold the rest of your hair back. You're gonna need a comb to brush out your hair. You're gonna need some heat protectant, any kind of work, whatever you have. And then this one is optional. I use some hair extensions. You don't obviously have to use hair extensions, but I use it just to give my hair a fuller look that I want to achieve. So my hair is really long, so I'm not using it for the length, but I am using it for the volume. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these. All I'm gonna do is show you what I do and just some tricks along the way if there's anything to make it easier for you guys. But yeah, let's just get started. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair extensions in. And these are already wavy from the last time I wore them, but I'm gonna put a new wave in them anyways, so it doesn't really matter what they look like. So I'm using 3 separate tracks for this hairstyle. You guys, every time I part my hair on this side, I see my grays. You can totally see them shimmering in the light. Do you see this? My grays! Look at this. That's what 3 kids will do to you. Okay, so I actually only used 2 because one of the tracks have 3 tracks on it, so I really don't need the third one. So after that, you're just gonna brush through your hair because you don't want any tangles while you're trying to separate your hair into sections. So I'm just brushing the extensions into my hair so it blends. So here is my hair and the extensions. It matches my hair so perfectly. So now this step is going to be the same for everybody, using extensions or not. So you're going to section your hair. Okay, I'm struggling with that clip. I'm just going to use this clip instead because I think it'll hold better. So you're going to section your hair like this, and then you're just going to grab some heat protectant. And on mine, I usually put it to the hottest setting. Right here, this little dial right here, I put it to high. And then you're gonna grab a section like this, and you're gonna hold it on there for about like 10 seconds. That's how long I hold it on. And then when you take it off, you're gonna go down this section and try to fit the wave into the next wave, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna try to show you. Okay, so you see the wave in this strand, right? So you're gonna see where that one ends, and then you're gonna put that part into the groove of the straightener. So you're gonna kind of have to pay attention. If you want uniform waves, that's what you have to do. But if you don't really want uniform waves, then it doesn't really matter. And as you're holding it on your hair, you kind of want to push it up so the hair up here that you already waved kind of scrunches. You don't want to be pulling it straight because then it won't stay wavy. And if you have shorter hair, it's obviously going to take way shorter amount of time. It just takes forever with mine because my hair is so long. And this is how it turned out. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair because you obviously don't have to see the whole thing, but I'm going to show you the finished product. and I'm done. I'm like halfway done with my hair right now. But it's easier to show you guys on this side what I mean by going in the grooves. So let me just show you when I move down this section. I don't have a mirror right here, it's hard to see. Look at my finger. On the crimper, well, on the waver, there's like where you put your thumb. It has a non-slip type of thing, but it hurts really bad and my hand is cramping. Okay, so this is half of what my hair looks like. It's looking pretty. And so this is like the top section of my hair, and what I do at the top, I split that section in half, like into one more layer. And then do that. Alright, so this is my last section, and I like a middle part, so I'm going to part it in the middle right now and then just go around my head and do the rest of it. I just realized I forgot to put a heat protectant on the rest of my hair after that first section. Ooh, the last stretch. My hand is literally cramping. Those indents on my thumb hurt so bad. Oh my gosh, look at this. It hurts so bad. Okay, so here is, oh no, my camera's overheating. All right, so after I'm done doing my whole head, I like to get some hairspray. And I like to spray just like lightly on the top, just to get all these little flyaways. I don't know if you see them in the camera, but I like to just spray like that. And then run my fingers lightly through the top like that. And then just fluff out the rest of my hair. Alright you guys, so that is all I have for you for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like down below and a comment. Let's keep it positive down there, shall we? But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.